We're here today at the one-to-one mining investment in New York with Sabina. For those who haven't heard your story before, can you tell us your background to the company?
Sure. Sabina is an explorer developer. We're in the very final stage of permitting the Back River Gold District. We have been actively exploring it since 2009, and we've grown that resource from acquisition from a little over 2 million ounces today to 5.2 million ounces in measured and indicated, another 2 million ounces in inferred. We've shepherded it through feasibility, a very profitable deposit based on our feasibility, which was completed at a significantly lower gold price than today at $1,150 an ounce with an 80-cent Canadian dollar. Shows the economics are amongst the best of the developing projects that are out there today. A large resource that we're growing. And again, in the final permitting stages, we were given the green light for our final license just in the last several weeks, and we expect to receive that before the end of 2018.
So, yeah, in terms of timeline, what are you looking at over the next steps of development?
Well, the next steps are certainly continuing with exploration. We've had great success, and outside of our feasibility, 3 new discoveries in the last 2 years. That has certainly been something that we feel is added value, and our shareholders have encouraged us to keep doing. Along with that is certainly moving the de-risking of the project forward. We've done a great job to develop some of the infrastructure and the logistics. These are the highest grade undeveloped open pits in the world of over 500,000 ounces. But we're in an area that has limited infrastructure and logistics, so what we've been focusing on is developing that infrastructure and improving logistics. So as we move down the de-risking path, certainly enables us to move forward very quickly.
And so what are the core messages you're trying to get across to investors here today?
Well, it's very simple. Is we have the optionality of a very large resource base that is growing. We're one of the largest or one of the highest grade series of deposits in the Western Hemisphere. We're permitted and lowest cost quartile compared to our peers. So really many of the attributes that I think many other developers would be envious of.
And how's the conference been for you?
Oh, it's always good. We have a good selection of institutional investors that we know, but also some smaller investors in retail that we're starting to share our story with. So it's always helpful.
Well, thank you very much for sharing your story with us today.
Thank you.